So, introduction to machine learning. What is machine learning? ML refers to algorithms that learn patterns from data instead of following hard-coded rules. In traditional computer science, there's a topic that everyone who's studied it knows called data structures and algorithms. And it's kind of the bane of studying computer science. And it's all traditional algorithms that follow preset rules for reaching like efficient performance. These are completely different algorithms. These are algorithms that are fed with data and try to find patterns in that data to then yield some results that may be useful. So they improve with experience. The more data you feed a machine learning algorithm in general, you would expect it to learn better. It will output predictions, decisions, or maybe even discover some underlying structure about the data that you are feeding into it. Depends on the type of machine learning model, which is what we'll be exploring here. And the core idea that you should grasp behind what machine learning is that you should let the computer find the function rather than write the function yourself. That is what became kind of the core of data science education by 2014, 2015, when a lot of ML algorithms started being integrated into technology that we use every day. So there's this AI umbrella. And there's people who call everything AI. That's marketing. And when someone says we're using an AI model, they may be referring to very different things. They could even be referring to a simple linear regression, which is something that is even taught in high school. And is a linear regression a machine learning model? Well, in the most strict definition of machine learning, yeah, it is. I know that there's some people here who don't know what a linear regression is. That's fine. It's okay. It's just a little mathematical model that is used in simple scenarios to understand data. So what is the AI umbrella? Everything inside this big circle people call AI, but really you can categorize AI as many things. Like even outside of this, which is machine learning, there are other things that you might call AI. So for example, in a video game, when you have an NPC, a non-playable character that responds to your actions, even if there are no machine learning algorithms powering that character in a video game, some people call that AI as well. But within the AI umbrella, we're going to be talking about the machine learning umbrella. It's a subcategory of AI, the largest one very likely. And then there are three main kinds of machine learning. There's supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and one that we will not talk too much about today, which is reinforcement learning. We'll touch on it briefly. And then some people consider deep learning as a different kind of learning, but really it's kind of a different family of models. We'll be touching on it more briefly. We'll be mainly focusing today on supervised and unsupervised learning, which are the most classical, quote unquote, types of machine learning.